All right, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 251. It's the new certified, guys, and here's the players tonight. We got Boston Sean and Saber Sean. We got Flyers Takedown. We got Todd. We got Phyllis. We got Crow. We got Aaron. We got Aaron who had LA free in Teeks' break there the other night. We have Phyllis. We got Matt. We got Welcome to Red Winger. New to my breaks. We got Zach Laurie. We got Linda. Shane Dog, always with Vancouver. And Flyers Takedown had the guaranteed Packwars seats. So we're going to roll for that right away. 1 through 5 would be Pack A, so on and so forth. It is a 1. So Flyers will be getting Pack A in Packwars. Jot that down. Alright. And moving on to Dare to Chew for this evening. We got a pack of exclusive. A pack of this year's OPG and 15 cards and 1 rock hard stick of bubblegum. And if you chew it on camera, upload it to YouTube, show me this, I'll give you $5. And everybody on the forum will laugh at you because they are pretty funny. So, Dare to Chew for tonight. Todd's hoping he can get it. Let's see who's going to win. There's the Pittsburgh Penguins and Golf Nuts. So there you go. You guys still with me? I expected a woohoo. Okay. And here's our box for tonight. Ending in 386. Factory sealed box of the new certified. See if I can open it without my knife. There we go. Man, not cooperating at all. There we go. I don't know if my chat's frozen or whatever, but nobody's talking much. So here's the empty box, 10 packs. Pretty fatty on top. Not a hot box. I'm not shipping out the base, but if you want a certain player, let me know. J.S. Shiger, Steve Mason, Kovalchuk, Logan Couture, Eric Stahl. I've got a mem card already. For the St. Louis Blues and Crowalicious. You got a team die cut of TJ Oshie. Blue swatch numbered 109 of 150. The bottom left corner is pretty janky. Pretty janky. Hope you guys are still following me. But my chat is boogered, I think. Carlson, Antiniemi. Vincent Lecavalier, Iginla. Spacer. Path to the Cup between Boston and Washington. This will be between Lucic and Dennis Weidman out of 399, number 96. So black will be Boston, red will be Washington. I'll do that right now. It is Pittsburgh and black. So that card goes to Boston. Next pack. Okay. Are you guys still okay? I just got all the chat back right there now. Patrick Kane, Koskinen, Immortals for the Buffalo Sabres and Sabre Sean, Gilbert Perreault. Number 173 of 999. And we got another die cut for Flyers Takedown. In Calgary, it's Iggy, number 128 of 150. Nice. Chara and Gabriel Landeskog. I'm going to try reloading blog real quick here, because people are having issues. And it's really choppy on my end, so excuse me breaking this video for a little bit, but the online guys are important for their enjoyment. So just give me a couple minutes. I'm trying to kill it. Not really cooperating well. Pretty hung. There it goes. And of course it would get all sketchy as soon as I start to break, but it was fine right before it. Oh. Alright guys, you back? Alright, good. Sorry guys, it got really sketchy for me. Did you guys see the Flames die cut of Iggy? Alright, well we had the TJ Oshie Blues die cut, team die cut. And the last card was for Flyers Takedown, Jerome again out of 150. Next pack. Alright. I just waited and reloaded everything just so, got a mirror. Ooh. Wow. We got a goalie pulls, do we? Yep, we got a goalie pulls. So, Ryan Callahan, Mark Stahl. On the back, we got Antoine Vermette and Ovechkin. And we got a goalie pulls for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Even though he has a New Jersey or a Nashville jersey, it's a little stuck. I'm not going to pull it. Anders Lindback, you can see there is a Tampa. Close, Phyllis, close. I thought it was yours till I saw the back. So anyways, goalie pulls. Those cards are cool. Going to Aaron Holm. Matt. So the base pack here. Hall, Hagelin, Pronger, Neal, and Callahan. Another mem card in this one. We got Nazem Kadri, who is Player of the Week in the AHL this week. Jonas Hiller, Kessler, Gonchar, Spacer, and a mirror blue. Oh, really? For the LA Kings. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a stretch. Number 62 of 99. Stretch in the house. So, as you know, we got a stretch card. And I'm only going to do a pack of OPC and a pack of Pinnacle Mint for this. Little stretch bonus. So we got for Florida, John Van Beesbrook. And for the Colorado Avalanche, Peter Forsberg. And the coin is for the Colorado Avalanche, Joe Sakic. You want a Sakic auto? Is that it? No problem. For the New Jersey Devils, retro Patrick Elias. We got a Paul Coffey sticker for the Oilers. And a Pelly Lundberg retro rookie for Philly. And Red Winger. There you go, you're not shut out. On to the certified. Looks like I've got a prime or something in this one. Oh, maybe just another mem. Mark Stahl, Backstrom. Ooh, Versteeg. Oh, nice. You're Todd. Get ready for the happy dance, Todd. Pavel Datsyuk and Matt Martin. For the Colorado Avalanche, and the card you just traded for, Tyson Barrie, the third one I pulled. Number 469 out of 499. Well, there we go. We got a semi-case hit. Can't cry. Now you got to. Go figure, eh? That guy is like following me around big time. 2 in the case break and 1 there. Certified stars for the Washington Capitals. And Matt, 229 of 99. You got Ovechkin. Rene Bourque and Getzlaf. 2 packs left. Lidstrom, Brad Marchand. We got a redemption. Bobby Ryan and Max Pacioretty. For the Edmonton Oilers, freshman signatures, card number 175, Philip Cornet. That'll be an autograph out of $9.99. And last pack in the certified. Erickson, Martin, St. Louis. You got a rookie for the Boston Bruins. Out of $9.99, Lance McDermott. Johnson and Drew Doughty. So, let me dig out that. Let's vote on the Mackinac, shall we? Is it going to be the Tyson Barrie? Is it going to be the goalie pulls? Or is it going to be the Flames or Blues die cuts? Votes, please. I like the goalie pulls, but I don't know. Alright, we got 1 Barrie, 2 Barrie, 3 Barrie. The redemption was just a freshman signatures. 4 Barrie. Alright, I'm going to call it. That's good enough for me. It's a semi-case hit. So I'm going to say,
holy Mackinac!
And congratulations to Todd. You got the best hit in the box voted. So you're going to get the full refund for Colorado this evening. Let's move on to our Packwars, shall we? Yeah. Well, hey, $5, $5. And Packwars. Flyers Takedown had the guaranteed seat. But Pack B is going to go to the Edmonton Oilers and Sean. Boston Sean. Pack C is going to go to... Haha, he did. The Washington Capitals and Matt. Pack D. The Detroit Red Wings and Crow. Pack E. The St. Louis Blues and Crow. You can only have one spot. The Phoenix Coyotes and Zach Laurie. Like you only got one team, you end up in Packwars. That's cool. And Pack F. Coyotes again. The St. Louis Blues and Crow again. Todd wants in this bad. The Ottawa Senators and Matt again. The Boston Bruins and Sean again. The Philadelphia Flyers and Red Winger. Wow, I cannot believe with 6 teams you got shut out, Todd. That's retarded. What's the odds of that with so many spins, man? All right, Pack A belongs to Flyers Takedown in the guaranteed seat. We picked these packs earlier on blog Series 2 Hockey from this year. Oh, well, actually, before I open them, let's show you the prizes for tonight. Sorry. It's a pretty small Packwars by my standards. We got a pack of Impact. A pack of Exclusive. We got our mandatory Tom Barrasso. We got Wayne Gretzky SB Essentials. We got a Ben Andres Gold Medallion rookie card. We got Brett Lebda Ice Premiers out of $29.99. We got Ice Premiers of Jonas Norquist out of $19.99. We got a Jeremy Moran Icebreakers rookie card. We got another Pinnacle rookie card of David Savard. We got a triple diamond of Dion Phaneuf. OPC legend Marcel Dion. We got a what are these? Player of the day Taylor Hall. Jordan Stahl at $2.99. Jumbo Joe Thornton Red Aspirations from Elite. Rookie Hollow Effects of Marcus Kruger. We got Nicholas Backstrom out of $19.99. A Cody Franson Young Gun from $9.10. Autograph Matt Hartigan from the Syracuse Crunch. Autograph Rostislav Klesla from Columbus. We got a John Filowich rookie mem card out of $12.99. And ending off with a Pasha Pavel Datsuk out of $3.99 certified Fabric of the Game. There's the prizes for this evening. Pack A is Flyers. Let's dig in. Let's see what we get. Oh, we got a rookie materials. That's a good start. Jonathan Blum. Jonathan Blum, White Swatch. Pasha. For Flyers takedown and the guaranteed seat. Looking good with the start there. Boston Sean has Pack B. And you got a Varlamov victory update. Oh, it's not Flurry. Alright, I got a little excited for a second. Brett Johnson, Upper Deck Exclusives, number 13 of 100. Well, that's not bad. Not bad. Those are a tough pull. Pack C is Matt. Well, if it stands up, that'll be 2 guaranteed seat wins in a row. We got a Young Gun of Gustav Nyquist. Hello. I know a couple of Detroit guys might be bidding on that one. Pack D is Crow. Oh, that's right, Todd. Sorry. Victory update of Evander Kane. Oh! Wow. We got a Hockey Heroes header, guys. So that's probably the new favorite for Crow and Pack D. Because it's got a little scratch in it, but these are a tough pull. That's like more than a case hit. That's Pack D, Crow's. That's like the third time I pulled a hockey header. MVP rookie, Gabriel Landeskog. And victory rookie, Cody Eakin. And Pack F is Red Winger. He's going to need something nice to pull this one off in his first break with me. We got a Young Guns of Anders Nielsen. So there we have it. That's a pretty good haul there that time. Better than Packwars yesterday. Yeah. So let's vote. Rookie materials. Jonathan Blum is going to be exclusives of Brent Johnson. Is going to be Gustav Nyquist. The Hockey Heroes header, Landy or Anders Nielsen. So we got one for the header, one for Landy, two for the header, three. In my opinion, it's a no-brainer for the header. And it looks like, yeah, 4 for, yeah, plus me. So that's a good haul. You got 2 Young Guns, an exclusives, a crappy Landy, a rookie materials, a Hockey Heroes header, Crow Spacer, and the giant pile. Wow. Sorry. Well, it's an MVP, Todd. MVP. And there you go. Congratulations, Crow. You won one of the smallest Packwars ever. But hey, bonus is a bonus. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your bids. Check out the bins that are flying right now. And have a great night.